What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we are coming to you from Oceanside, right here on the beach. So we're gonna walk the South Pacific beach here. So we're gonna walk up and down this here Pacific Avenue, right next to the North Coast Village. Okay? And this is like the main walking area down here in Oceanside. It is about 10 a.m. right here on the beach. Late February, almost March 2021. So this is what it looks like at about 10 a.m. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about Oceanside as we get going here. So it is actually home to the Marine Corps base, Camp Pendleton. Just down the road in San Diego is going to be where you will find Miramar. Just south of here is Carlsbad, California. So this is a coastal city with a harbor, beaches, and a strong surfing presence. I'll go down here to the beach here. Obviously, I'm starting out in more of a reserved, relaxed environment side. As I get closer to the pier, it picks up. But you can see there's some surfers here in the water, especially behind me by the jetty. So I'll pick up as I get closer to the actual pier there. If this is your first time to Island Hopper TV, crush up the likes, watch some of our other videos, and subscribe. If you subscribe, we've got lots of videos. We were just in Florida, now we're in California here in 2021, so it's totally fresh and relevant. We did Southern Florida, now we're doing Southern Cal. Might even do some Baja. All right, let's pick up down there. Right. So it's like the pier is open. I'm not going to go all the way down the pier, but I'll go up here a little bit just to show you what it looks like, and then we'll just keep walking all the way down the strand. You can see you could walk across from the street where the Wyndham's at. Looks like they got a tsunami evacuation area. Interesting. So let's see here. This is where you can fish, watch surfers, do all sorts of cool stuff. So the population of Oceanside is actually 167,000 people. It's kind of big. Ruby Tuesdays down there. Over there's the marina, and you can see Dana Point downrange. Lots of surfers out here and seagulls. Alright, now I'm going to head back down the pier here and walk the strand, which is basically like the boardwalk here. Yeah, big Marine Corps base out here, Camp Pendleton. You can hear the bombs going off as they're shooting at the artillery range or something. Some people wear masks outside and some people don't. Capistrano. It's like a surf tournament's going on. San Juan Capistrano. Let us know in the comments where you are tuning in from. It's a beautiful day, probably 67 right now. I think it's going to be up to about 70 today, or maybe stays in the high 60s. So this is the NSSA Regional Championship. Lots of surfers in the water already. Looks like they're building something here, beachfront improvements project. Lots of construction right now going on in Southern California. They've taken this opportunity with all the closures to really reinvest in the infrastructure down here. So I know California gets a bad rap for a lot of things, but I will say they have taken full advantage of overhauling the infrastructure out here, and that's a great thing. All the surfers.
Perspective as to
so there's going to be some restaurants and bars down here. I took the coaster, the surf liner, up from San Diego all the way up here to Oceanside. Went through Carlsbad also. We're going to be making a few videos, so if you're loving Oceanside video here, you'll want to subscribe to the channel, catch our San Diego video. We are doing the ultimate San Diego guide. So if you've never been to San Diego or you want to go to San Diego, you're going to want to check out that one. Then we're going to do Dana Point, Laguna, maybe even go as high up as Newport, and we'll see how it goes from there. Also, we do have Cabo San Lucas coming up, so that'll be exciting. Some Mexico action. Heard good things about La Paz down there and Todos Santos. Lots to see on the Baja. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up downrange here. One thing you'll discover about Southern California, down here south of LA in particular, is very active. Lots of healthy people doing outdoor activities such as biking, skateboarding, surfing, jogging, running. All right, so now we're gonna go over to the actual California Surf Museum. So let's go take a look at what they got going on over there. And here we are on Cleveland Street. This here is like the downtown area of Oceanside, right here as you drive up there, Mission Avenue. And like I said, Cleveland Street. All right, so yeah, I mean, this is basically downtown Oceanside right here. And we're headed over to the Surf Museum. It's 11:30 in the afternoon right now. All right, the California Surf Museum. Let's see, it looks like it's open. Drop in. Hey, if you guys love surfing, you're definitely going to want to check out this Surf History Museum. It's pretty cool. And here we are down at the marina. You can hear the sea lions in the background. And there goes the Oceanside Adventures. Going out to go see what they see, whales or whatnot. All right, now we've made it down to the Oceanside Harbor here. You can see they've got Nautical Bean Coffee Company right here. Joe's Crab Shack. One of my favorite places to go. Wonder where all the sea lions are. Any sea lions in here? No sea lions yet.
You know, being in polo, you gotta do contracts. You know what I'm saying? I can bring hood real fast. Easy.
You guys want to do some whale watching here? Oceanside Adventures, luxury cruises. Rockin' Baja Lobster Bar. Got some kayaks there. Oh, we got camera going a little wild. More boat rentals. Dominic's.
No, I was like,
Yo! What is up?
So this here is the harbor. You guys come down here. Joe's Crab Shack. Oh boy. Alright, Joe's Crab Shack. Down here at the harbor. Joe's Crab Shack. So that's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV from Oceanside. Hope you guys enjoy your vacation here. And we'll see you on the next one.